So, haven't seen one of these. Had to read up on it a little bit because I have not seen a variegated oleander until I've come down south. And here we go. Twist of pink. Look at that color. Can you imagine having that as a hedgerow between you and your neighbor? Or if you had it as a backdrop along the fence, a deep bed where you had this against the fence and you had something solid like Nandina or Laura Petalum or Barberry down in front, and this was the backdrop, and then you had some perennials down in front. This is not a super big oleander, 6 to 8 at most, and that's with bloom. So your twist of pink oleander is our plant of the week, and check it out. It's generally put out by Southern Living Collection and grown down here in the southeast areas. I don't know if it's available out west, and I don't know if it's available up north. You're just going to have to ask your local mom and pop center or your garden center to see if they can pull it from the Southern Living Collection. So, hey, twist of pink, hardy down into the 20s, maybe even a high teen, and then you're going to start seeing it get burnt. You know, Texas, you know all about burnt oleanders by now. So that kind of cold, it's not going to take. But look at the color contrast on the tag. Can you imagine when this comes into bloom with that deep, bright pink flowers? Oh, really, really nice. So check it out next time. Twist of Pink. This is Coach. I'll catch you guys next week. Thank you. Take care.